In this video I will show you how you can get from this to this with only hand files, sandpaper, some diamond files and a lot of patience. In the last video I showed you how I made this drill. This is a drill that was made by skilled blacksmith in the past, and with closer look, as you can see, this was dished out on the anvil with the hammer. You can see the hammer strokes. It was made into spoon shape, and then this tip was twisted. As you can see, up here there is the twisted cavity. Here is the screw-like tip, which should help to drive the drill into the wood. And it was made from some old file, which you can probably see. Yes, here you can see the texture, and this tube was welded on. This condition is the usual condition in which you can buy these drills from the flea markets. Rusty, extremely dull, but this one, if we ignore this not so pretty neck of the drill, it's a really good quality of craftsmanship of the blacksmith that did this drill. I think that I have several drills from the same person because the quality and the shape looks pretty much the same. Also the tip is really good. I'm just going to dress this, reshape it, sharpen it, and it will be good to go. This will drill about 31mm hole, and this one about 30, and I would say I will go with this one. Now I will show you my method to dress this drill. It may not be the best method, but it works for me. After I dress it, I can drill a hole with this. So I guess there are few people that would say that they do it the other way. You may start with my method because I know it works, and you can figure out your own if you can get this from flea markets. If you want to try to make for your own, I have a tutorial how to make it from cylindrical blank without any forging. If you are a good blacksmith, I guess this will not be a problem for you to make one for yourself, just for fun or for the experiment, or just from curiosity of how this drill actually works. So go for it, enjoy and have fun. First thing I need to do is to put on the face mask. What I want to do first is to take some sandpaper and clean this portion of the drill. I just want to remove the rust. I don't want this drill to leave any nasty dirt in the hole. If this is enough, I will gradually go from 150 up to maybe 1000, so I have clean and unified surface. Then I will start on the inside. Let's destroy some scissors. So this drill isn't so regular as I expected, so I tried with the file whether it's hardened. Lucky for me, it isn't. I need to slightly alter the shape, so I will take some material with the file and try to make it like more round and uniform. I ended at 1000 grit with this diamond sharpening stone. I can see the condition of the cutting edge. Now I'm going to start to refine it first with round file, and I'm going to start up here all the way up to here, just making this curve coherent. It's already starting to feel sharp. I guess in this stage it will already cut, but I need to have like razor sharp edge, so I will go further. The procedure is like filing this curve as long as this geometry allow me to copy this edge. It seems to be pretty good drill that will allow me to sharpen it all the way through the spiral. To explain why I do it this way, this outer shell sanding and dressing is the same as grinding the bottom of the chisel. You need to have smooth surface on the outside, and you will be sharpening only this inside edge, and for the outside shell you will only use leather strop to remove the burr. The main sharpening goes from the inside. The movement of the file in this stage is like if you are right-handed, you are rotating the file in the right hand while dragging the file on the surface. You are not going to dig any groove in here. You try to smooth this curve and make it unified. Left hand is dragging, right hand is rotating the file. As you can see, the drill is so well made that the file catches only on this edge. This is nice. If it wasn't rusty in this area, I wouldn't touch it, but in this case I will go with some grinding stone. But for the practical use, it's great that this drill can be sharpened only on this small strip of the edge. I really have to say out loud that this drill was made very skilled blacksmith, maybe village blacksmith, because the geometry is so well. This one is amazing. The file sits as I go. This is already sharp. After removing the burr, it will go. Sometimes you get up to this point and then you have to make it with a rotary tool or some other way. This is just amazing. This is nice. This drill may have around 70 or 80 years, and I would say while it was in use, it was maintained very well, because this is a really great tool amongst the others. And this was handmade. This wasn't made in any kind of factory. This was made from an old file. So big respect for the craftsman who made this drill. After 5000 grit sandpaper, I would say this is good enough. If you want to see, this is beechwood. It cuts pretty well, and the cut is nicely smooth, so although there are some ridges, they are not so bad. I hoped that it would go without pre-drilling, but it's not the case, so I'm using my own handmade drill to pre-drill the hole. So now let's test this restored drill. Can you believe it? This is awesome. It's awesome. Okay, this is green wood, but anyway, it takes like butter. I'm almost terrified of how well this drill takes the material. I'm not used to take so much material at once. This, and the hole is smooth. This is really nice.